No, it's because I've got
Right, go
I
on.
do a bird impression as well.
Right, go on.
Not when I'm laughing. Hang on.
Go on. Do it again.
Oh God.
Stand back a bit so I can get like full. That's it.
Perform
Perfect.
for us.
Because I want to
Put
get
this
your
on
arms. I didn't
Facebook,
think I was
can't
gonna.
you?
No, I wanted to get your arms doing
I
it.
will.
Ready?
Go on. Brilliant. Now the fist in the mouth trick. Go on. That's pretty good, that.
Elbow.
All right, the elbow one. Go on, the elbow one.
Okay. Well, Siobhan will get jealous because she can do it too.
That's pretty good. Full 180 degrees.
What else can you do?
That's all I got.
Oh, is that
That's
all?
all I've got. Rubbish.